Hi, I'm Angela. Let me show you a step-by-step on how to create a super interactive online community here in GoBrunch. The main idea behind an online community is to build relationships between members and create a sense of belonging. This can take your business and your brand to a new level, because it is not only about providing a feed of message, but offering live support using your unique expertise that nobody has. Today, we'll create a community for Life University. I want to add group meetings, classrooms, mentoring sessions, and make it easier for the students to interact among themselves and with the professors. We need to create a space where they can collaborate, share their screens, chat, and much more with all the features that GoBrunch can bring to us. In addition, I want to create a super comfy space for them to study. By using these dynamic rooms, they will be able to come back here at any time of the day. Alright, let's get started. I'm here at the home page of GoBrunch. Check the link in the description of the video. Let's choose the co-working option, because here we can have multiple rooms inside the same space. Now we place the name. For now, I don't want to set up any secret keys. I'll click on No to collect registrations, because I want them to join fast and I can collect registrations later. Here, I will choose how many rooms I would like to have. Choose the room layout and then we click on Create. You will see this window after you click on Create. This is My Rooms option. Here, you're gonna click on the first room that you're going to see in the list. That means that is the last one that has been created. Now you click on a circle to sit. This is the main room of your space. All rooms are open 24/7. That means that you can join at any time of the day. You can do a lot of stuff here. If you click in All Rooms icon, you will see all the rooms that you have created in your space. You can navigate to all rooms and choose the one that you would like to join. When you join for the first time another room from your space, you will see that it's already a background and they have some setups. But in this time, I'm going to change the background, replace the logo, and change the name of this room. We click on this room icon and next, Room Settings. Here, you can change the name and the background of the room. You will see some options that you can enable or disable. For Replace the logo, we click on the plus icon and upload a logo from your computer. For this community, I'm using only a standard template, but keep in mind that you can upload a custom background at any time. Remember to go to this room icon and then Background Editor to choose one from your computer. I recommend to do the same steps for each room of your space. I'm gonna update everything for each room and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. Like you see, this is a room for classrooms. With my other rooms, I'm gonna make a study room, casual meetings, and a coffee break area. Now we're back to the main room. In this time, I'm gonna show you how you can connect all your rooms together. We click on this room icon. Next, Background and Editor. Now you'll see this panel and we click in the Add Navigation icon. We place each arrow for each room that we have in our space, and we link to each room. To link the rooms in each arrow, you click in Click to Link. Then choose one from here option. After that, you scroll down and you will find all the rooms that you have created in your space. Now, all your rooms are connected with the Add navigation. That means that you can navigate using the arrows too. If you would like to add a welcome video for your members, we're gonna embed a video. We go back to the panel from Background and Editor again, but in this time, we're gonna choose the option that is called Embed Audio, Video, and More. You'll see this pop-up to paste the embed code from the video. In this time, I'm going to embed a video from YouTube. So I click Share and then in the embed icon. After that, I copy the code and I paste it in GoBrunch. Now you can move the square and resize the corners. Every time that a member enters to your online community, they can watch this video. Your online community is almost done, but we need to invite your members so they can join at any time of the day. So we're gonna share the space link via Gmail. You can customize this link anytime you like. We copy the link and we paste it in Gmail to send it. That's it! You just learned how to create an online community here in GoBrunch. Would you like to build yours? Join GoBrunch today and take your business to the next level. Hope you enjoy it and thank you for watching.